10 remedies, including lifestyle changes, foods, and supplements that may help anxiety. It's important to note that anxiety is a complex condition, and while these remedies, foods, and medicines may help some people manage their anxiety, they are not a replacement for professional medical advice and treatment. Always consult with a healthcare provider for a personalized approach to managing anxiety. Here are 10 remedies, including lifestyle changes, foods, and supplements that may help. Regular exercise. Engaging in regular physical activity can boost mood, reduce stress hormones, and improve overall well-being. Aim for at least 30 minutes of exercise most days of the week. Mindfulness meditation. Practicing mindfulness can help you stay grounded and reduce anxious thoughts. Techniques like deep breathing and progressive muscle relaxation can be beneficial. Adequate sleep. Ensure you get enough quality sleep each night. Lack of sleep can exacerbate anxiety symptoms. Stick to a consistent sleep schedule. Limit caffeine and alcohol. High caffeine intake can increase anxiety, so consider reducing your consumption. Excessive alcohol can also worsen anxiety symptoms, so drink in moderation. Social support. Talk to friends and family about your feelings. Having a support system can provide comfort and understanding during anxious moments. Dietary remedies. Omega-3 fatty acids. Foods rich in omega-3 fatty acids, such as salmon, walnuts, and flax seeds, may have a calming effect on the brain and reduce anxiety. Complex carbohydrates. Foods like whole grains, sweet potatoes, and legumes can help stabilize blood sugar levels, preventing mood swings that may trigger anxiety. Herbal teas. Certain herbal teas like chamomile, lavender, and valerian root may have calming properties and promote relaxation. Probiotics. Gut health has been linked to mental health. Consuming foods rich in probiotics, like yogurt or fermented foods, may support a healthy gut-brain connection. Supplements and medications. Consult a healthcare provider. Supplements. In some cases, supplements like magnesium, B vitamins, and L-theanine may be recommended by a healthcare provider to help manage anxiety. However, it's crucial to discuss these options with a healthcare professional before starting any new supplements. Remember, what works for one person may not work for another, and the severity of anxiety varies. Always seek advice from a healthcare provider to determine the best approach for your specific situation. They can provide tailored recommendations, therapy options, or medications if necessary.